Listen, bro, if you're between 13 to 21 years old and you feel average right now, this video is going to be the turning point of your life. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to give you a step-by-step 30-day plan that will completely transform your looks, boost your confidence, and make you unrecognizable by the time school starts again. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. There's no way I can glow up in just 1 month. That sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. If that's your mindset, then honestly, this video isn't for you. You can click off and stay the same for another year. But if you're hungry for change, if you're serious about people doing double takes when they see you after break, then stay with me until the end. Every single step I share builds on the last one. And the final step is the accelerator, the thing that pushes your results way faster than you ever thought possible. Let's get into it. Step 1, posture and face structure. The fastest way to look better instantly is fixing your posture. Forget about expensive clothes or new hairstyles for a second. Posture is free. If you walk into a room with your shoulders slouched, chest caved in, and head tilted down, you're already signaling weakness before you even say a single word. So here's exactly what you do. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and imagine a string pulling your head upwards. Keep your chin slightly tucked in, not push forward like a turtle. When you walk, let your arms hang naturally, swing with purpose, and keep your chest open. Now combine this with proper tongue posture. Most guys press their tongue flat on the roof of their mouth, thinking they're mewing correctly. That's wrong. The correct way is to let your tongue naturally suction up, with the tip just behind your front teeth and the back pressed firmly upwards. The easiest way to practice is to swallow and then hold that position. When your posture and tongue position are on point, your jawline looks sharper, your face structure starts to improve slowly over time, and people instantly notice something different about you even if they can't explain it. Step 2, skincare reset. Your skin is the first thing people see. No one cares about your outfit if your face looks oily, full of breakouts, or dull. And don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to buy some crazy expensive creams. All you need is a simple routine that you actually stick to. For the next 30 days, do this every single day. In the morning, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Apply a lightweight moisturizer. And don't forget sunscreen if you're stepping outside. At night, cleanse again. Use a mild exfoliant 2 or 3 times a week, and always moisturize. Also drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Start your mornings by drinking 1 glass right after waking up. Get sunlight exposure in the morning for vitamin D, and cut down sugar, oily food, and fried snacks. If you stay consistent with this, your skin will even out, acne will calm down, scars will fade, and your face will start glowing with health. Step 3, the debloat formula. Most guys don't look bad because of genetics. They just look bloated. A puffy face, tired eyes, and water retention can ruin your look. So in this step, we remove all that. Cut down processed food, chips, salty snacks, and instant noodles. Stop drinking soda completely and switch to plain water, coconut water, or green tea. Add potassium-rich foods like bananas and cucumbers to your meals. Bonus hack: chew gum for 10 minutes after lunch and dinner, but make sure you switch sides constantly. This tones your face muscles evenly and stops one side from puffing up more than the other. Do this for 30 days and you'll notice your cheekbones and jawline looking more defined, almost like you lost weight even if the scale hasn't changed much. Step 4, fixing facial balance. Most faces aren't perfectly symmetrical, but small adjustments create the illusion of balance. Groom your eyebrows. Just clean up stray hairs and make both sides match without overplucking. If your beard grows unevenly, keep it short and let it fill naturally instead of forcing a patchy style. Also, start massaging your jaw and temples for 5 minutes every evening with your knuckles or a roller. This relaxes tight muscles, helps both sides of your face look more even, and improves blood circulation for healthier skin. Small changes like this make your face look sharper, more balanced, and way better in pictures in real life. Step 5, hair transformation. Your hair can make or break your look. Even if you do everything else right, the wrong haircut can hold you back instantly. For the next 30 days, stop over-shampooing. Wash your hair with shampoo only 2 to 3 times a week and rinse with water in between. Use conditioner every single time you shampoo to keep your hair smooth and hydrated. Now find a haircut that matches your face shape. Square faces usually look great with fades. Oval faces can pull off longer flowy cuts. Round faces look better with more volume on top. Your hair frames your face. Once you get this right, you instantly look sharper, cleaner, and more attractive without much effort. Step 6: Fitness and energy upgrade. You don't need a six-pack in 30 days, but you can look more athletic and confident just by moving your body every day. Do this simple daily workout. 30 push-ups in the morning, 30 squats in the evening, 5 to 10 minutes of planks throughout the day, and 20 to 30 minutes of walking or jogging. Pair this with 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep is a cheat code. Your skin clears up, your eyes look sharper, your posture improves, and you carry more energy everywhere you go. People can feel the difference in your vibe when you're well rested compared to when you're tired all the time. Step 7: Style Simplified. Forget chasing every new trend or buying expensive brands. For the next 30 days, just focus on clean, fitted, and simple outfits. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, navy, and gray. Make sure your clothes actually fit your body properly. No saggy jeans or oversized shirts unless you're styling it that way on purpose. And always keep your shoes clean, because dirty sneakers ruin the entire outfit. Style is about looking sharp and effortless, not complicated. When your clothes fit and your shoes are clean, you automatically look like you know what you're doing. Step 8: The final accelerator. The glow up isn't just about looks. It's about energy and presence. When you walk into a room, people should feel something different about you even before you speak. For the next 30 days, practice this. Speak slower with more purpose. Hold eye contact 1 second longer than you normally would. And smile slightly when you greet people. Not a fake big smile, just a confident one. These small habits make you look confident, magnetic, and interesting even if your transformation isn't fully complete yet. So this is your 30-day glow-up plan. Follow each step consistently, and by the time school starts again, you won't be the same person. People will notice. Girls will notice. Even your friends will be asking what changed about you. You have two choices right now. Keep doing nothing and look the same for another year, or take action and start your transformation today. The next 30 days are in your control. Make them count.